Hey guys, today I'm going to be replacing the rear shocks on this 2013 Chevy Equinox. So right now I've got the back end up in the air. I've got a jack on each side of this vehicle and start jacking this thing up. Okay, so next step is I'm going to have to get this wheel well out of here, but I just want to check the size here, and it is an 18. So I'm going to start getting this panel off of here. Looks like I need a couple of torques, and then my panel tool to get those off. Okay, we're going to get this wheel well out of here. Got a couple of T20 torques, so we'll get those out first. Okay, now the trim tool. Okay, so there's 8 of these panel clips and 2 Torx screws, and again they're number 20, I believe it's a T20 Torx. All right, and one thing I found here with these body clips is I've got this tack removal tool, and that's good to get the thing started, and then you can take your body panel trim tool and finish it off the rest of the way, because that's got a little more leverage. So anyway, that makes it a little easier. All right, now we can get this panel out, hopefully. Oh, I've got a screw. Looks like I've got one underneath the rear bumper here, so I'm gonna have to get that one out. All right, it looks like this one is a 7mm. Okay, anything else there? All right, that looks like it. All right, so these guys are 18mm for the shock, top and bottom, so we'll get the impact driver on that. All right, I'm going to put a bottle jack underneath the control arm, or the A-arm, whatever it's called, here on the back. And that's just to take some pressure off of that shock. Now I'm going to have to compress that guy a little bit to get it out of there. There we go. Shock extend, and then while I'm doing that, I can actually, let's see, we'll compress this thing. Make sure everything is working fine there. And then get that guy up into the housing. And at the bottom, Okay, and then we're going to torque that guy to the proper torque specification. All right, it's saying 37 to 52 pound-feet, so I'm going to go 48. Okay, there's 48. And then we'll get that top one torqued down so you can see that. Okay, there's 48. All right, there's actually a lip up on top here that fits behind the fender. And then you can line up the holes. Probably best to get these guys first. Okay, so I've got the two here, and then I can work on getting the rest. And this one down here, sorry, I'll get you a shot of that. This goes up underneath the lip of the bumper. And here we have another panel clip. And then here and here are the Torx screws. Another T20 there. All right, that's it. Get the wheel back on and she's done. Thanks for watching.